I'm going to show you how to add a logo to your Gmail email signature. It's a quick way to personalize your messages and make sure your contact info is always right there for the people you email. Let's dive in. First, open Gmail on your computer. In the top right corner, click the small gear icon. That's the settings button. From the drop down, select See All Settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you see the section called Signature. Here, click Create New. You'll get a little prompt to name your signature. I'd suggest using something descriptive, like work or personal, just in case you make more than one later. Now you'll see a text editor where you can type your signature. Add whatever info you want here, like your name, job title, company, or phone number. Keep it short and readable so people can find the important details easily. To add a logo, look for the little image icon in the toolbar. Click that and choose Upload from Computer or Google Drive. If your logo isn't uploaded yet, just click Upload and browse your computer to select the file. Once you pick it, it'll appear right in your signature. You can resize the logo if it looks too big and line it up with your text so the whole thing feels balanced. The idea is to keep it professional without letting the logo take over the space. Once you're happy with the design, scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. This is super important, or you'll lose everything you just set up. And that's it. You've created a custom Gmail signature with your logo included. Now every email you send has a clean, professional touch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.